everyone, welcome to our Google Forms workshop. In the previous video, we teach you how to create a survey and send it to others. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check the responses and download to your computer. Right now, I'm on my survey page. This is a survey that I have sent to others. On the top, you will see the Responses button. It's next to the Questions button. You will also see the 9. That means I got 9 feedback to my survey. Let's go check it. Click on Responses icon. Now the data result will be shown here. I want to download to my computer to analyze it. On the right side, you will see the 3-dot icon. Click on it. Click on the Download Responses. Choose Save File. Click on OK. This file will be saved as a CSV format. I want to save it to my desktop. So here is a desktop. Save it. Let's go check. It's right here. Double click. Click on Microsoft Excel. All the data will be exported to Microsoft Excel format. So you will see your data right here. Now you can analyze it. Thank you.